I am going to show the next piece here, which is back to procedures. You can see I've already got a procedure that I've added here, but I'm going to show how this works with metcal procedures. So the first thing we're going to do when we're thinking about running metcal as a addition to CalStudio is I'm going to come in and add my procedure. And so you can see that now when I go to author procedure, I have two options. I can create a CalStudio procedure like we had before, but I can also create a metcal procedure. And what that allows me to do is upload my PXE file from metcal into that record there. And so I'm just going to grab this Tektronix scope procedure here. You can see that it pulled some of that information from the procedure itself, from the project properties in the PXE to pre-populate some of this information. And we can add things like our calibration interval that's associated with that. We can add some notes. If you haven't seen already, I'll show in a second the folders where we can structure and organize our procedures so it's easier to keep track of them. But I'm going to just save this here. And so now we have that procedure that I just uploaded of a metcal procedure in our available procedures on CalStudio. You can see it goes into a draft state. So just like we need to publish our CalStudio procedures before we can use them or before they're available to technicians in CalStudio Conduct, we can publish that procedure and have that available. For right now, since I don't plan on calibrating a Tektronix scope today, since that'll take a little bit longer than the hour we have, I'm going to go ahead and unpublish that. But I will start here kind of at the beginning of the workflow and just create a work event for us to use to launch my procedure for the 179 and show how that works. So I'm going to come over back to CalStudio, create a work event for this, and I'm pretty sure that I have added that 179 on the engineering side. So I'm going to create my work event here. I don't have a barcode scanner, but I'm going to add that. I'm going to assign that to myself so it shows up in my work more easily. And we'll say this is urgent because I'm going to get this done right now. I'm going to publish and open that work event. So we've got that work event open. I can go look at that here, see what's available in there. You can see that one asset that I added there as a work item. I'm going to hop back over to CalStudio Conduct now and show on the My Work area. You can see that work event that I added. And you can see I have not started that, and I do not have any as found or as left results. So I'm going to click here and select my procedure, and you can see it's a mix now of CalStudio procedures and metcal procedures.